There have been reports of plans to commence a trial of those arrested for funding the Boko Haram activities in Nigeria. How true is that, sir?
As you actually know, some times back there were certain convictions of Nigerians allegedly involved in terrorism financing United Arab Emirates. That gave rise to a wider and far-reaching investigations in Nigeria, and I'm happy to report that arising from the wider coverage investigations that has been conducted in Nigeria, a number of people, both institutional and otherwise, were found to be culpable, were found to, reasonable grounds for suspicion of terrorist financing have been established or perhaps has been proven to be in existence in respect of the transactions of certain higher profile individuals and businessmen across the country. And I am happy to report that investigation has been ongoing for long and it has reached an advanced stage. Arising from the investigation, there exists certainly reasonable grounds for suspicion that a lot of Nigerians, high profile, institutional and otherwise, are involved in terrorist financing, and they are being profiled for prosecution. So in essence, it is indeed true that the government is prosecuting and is indeed initiating processes of prosecuting those high-profile individuals that are found to be financing terrorism. It is indeed true.
How many of them have been arrested?
Well, as to the number, because the investigation is ongoing and it has to be conclusive before one can arrive at a certain number. But one thing I can tell you is a large number, and they are being profiled for prosecution. It is indeed a large number, and I am not in a position to give you with precision the number as at now because the profiling and investigation is ongoing.
So what is the message the government is now sending to those with the habit of financing terrorism?
Well, the message is clear. Nobody is going to be spared. No stone will be left unturned. We shall certainly and aggressively pursue those people that are involved in terrorist financing as far as the Nigerian state is concerned.